Teens, social media, and mental health grabbed the spotlight in the Manoa Valley Theater's rendition of the Broadway hit, Dear Evan Hansen. The musical performance here in Honolulu is presented by HMSA.
Well, HMSA supports everything that impacts the social determinants of health. And I think this play has meaning in that arena in two ways. Number one, it's musical theater that supports well-being, but also the topic is about adolescent mental health and the struggles of dealing with social media. And just understanding that is all part of the social determinants of health as well.
Well, it's very important in our community, especially to reach out to those who are suffering or dealing with mental illness or social anxiety, depression. I taught high school for 25 years, so I had a lot of dealings with families and students who, struggled with various issues in their lives. So this is a play that really speaks to those issues and how to reach out if you're feeling anxiety.
Dear Evan Hansen, turns out this isn't going to be an amazing day after all.
The show is very, very impactful because, of course, it shares a message about how important mental health can be and how us as people, we're just people, we're going through our everyday lives. It's really great that I get to portray this character and how he gets to kind of grow. I see how he takes this topic of mental health to an all-time high.
Oh, can anybody see? Is anybody waving at me?
What we've been trying to do at HMSA is work really closely with all the community organizations who focus on teenagers and youth and the mental health crisis that everyone is experiencing here, both in Hawaii and across the country.
The support for this kind of musical messaging goes beyond our work here at HMSA. After all, it takes a village to raise a child. Community partners like Hawaii Pacific Health are also on board.
I think our missions between HMSA and HPH overlap really nicely, and I think events like this that support the right cause around behavioral health is super important to show that we are really behind our patients and our members of Hawaii.
I think it's important because it's going to take everybody to solve these problems. These are big, hard problems, and it's going to take the community coming together and all of us partnering to really support our kids and the families in our community.
To me, it's very important, especially nowadays with social media. There's a lot of stuff that could be going on that's not true. In class, we do have a lot of open discussions about how we're doing every day, and it's a safe space, so we're just there to pick each other up if someone is going through a bad time.
We've seen post-COVID, and also even before that in the age of social media, an impact on the mental well-being of our youth. We got to fix that, or it's a problem for the next generations. And so this is one of our small steps to try and help in that regard.